The next myth was, or the next lie that he talks about was stop crying, you'll feel worse, and you will look weak. So there are two myths that are related to this. One of them is don't feel bad. And the other one is I must be strong for others. I previously wrote, when we experience a major disappointment at work, or things get very intense at work, or we have a problem, or maybe our child doesn't get admitted to the college or school program of their choice, we can respond in maybe an intellectual manner. We can say, well, I'm the boss, or I'm the manager, or I'm the parent, and I can't allow myself to feel that pain because it's going to look weak and people will look down on me. Or maybe that school just doesn't understand you. Or for maybe a romantic situation, there's more fish in the sea. There's all these intellectual approaches, but those don't help the emotional side. We can think that it's not acceptable to acknowledge, express, or even feel any pain. We might even say, well, my loss isn't as bad as someone else's. It was just my dog that died. It wasn't my parent or my sibling, so I can't feel bad. But that's not fair. That's not correct. We're emotional beings, and we are going to feel pain of loss for things that are emotionally important to us. And if we don't allow ourselves to feel the powerful emotions of grief, we actually end up numbing our ability to feel all emotions.